You can generate logos for anything with the help of AI, like this one rabbit, this one is square, this one is square, and this one is a fitness logo. So you have to go midjourney.ai and simply create account and write your prompt whatever you want. I write I want some water bottle logos. So I write for logos for water bottles, so you can see the results. This is really good results. So try something different and write, I want something different. So simply write logos for water bottle and add word vector. I simply add the word vector and add what background I want. So I want white background. So I simply write logos for water bottle, vector and white background. So see what results I get. Wait for the results. So this is very simple. You can write anything. So this is the results are good. I really like third one. First one is also good. You guys can ignore the spellings because MidJourney is not good in spelling. You all know. So you can see the results. Third one is good. So generate something more. So this prompt I write some new words. I write thunder logo for brand of water bottles on white background. Yeah. And you can see I write thunder logo. So and white background and also write vector. So see the what results I get. So you can try some every day, every time some new words. So you can every times get some new results. So I see what results I get. I really like these results. First one is the best because water, blue, white background. So this logo is really amazing. And second one is also good, but the quality of fourth one I don't like. First one and second one I really like it. So I want some more logos. Try different prompts. This time I want some fitness logo. So I simply write logos for fitness brand called Fito. So I also write my brand name. So see what results I get. So write aesthetic with white background. The results are shocking. I really like second one and fourth one. So you can also try this amazing website and let me know in comments what logo your favorite.